When you buy a MasterCraft, you get used to a certain standard. The feel of the boat, the way it's put together, the way it looks when it's sitting in the driveway and when it's out on the water. The trailer should meet that same standard, and for us, it always has. Every trailer we make is designed around a specific boat. Not a category, not a general shape, the exact boat, down to the millimeter. It's the kind of detail most people never think about until they see it. The hole settling onto support points that actually match it, the fit that stays clean and secure, the little things that keep your boat looking the way it should. We could have let someone else figure that out, but we didn't. MasterCraft designs and manufactures its trailers in-house with dedicated trailer engineers, people whose entire job is making sure the boat you're towing is supported and protected the way it needs to be. It's a quiet advantage until you realize it isn't quiet at all. It's the difference between a trailer that's good enough and a trailer that carries the same standard as the boat. And that engineering isn't just about how it fits on the trailer, it's about how it tows. Each trailer is balanced for its specific model, delivering the right amount of tongue weight, confident tracking at speed, and reduced risks of fishtailing. It's confidence you feel the second you start moving. From single-axle trailers for our smaller models to the always-ready tandems in the middle and triple axles built for the biggest boats, every MasterCraft gets the support it deserves and makes towing feel effortless. Once the foundation is perfect, the personalization starts. Colors, wheels, graphics, all of it designed to make the whole experience feel cohesive, like it belongs to you in the same way the boat does. And then there are the upgrades, the kinds of things you really appreciate once you've lived with them. Hydraulic brakes that make stopping feel easier than it should, a ramp-in clamp that turns launching and loading into a non-event, RGB runway lights you can actually see and control, and tire pressure monitoring that keeps you informed instead of guessing. At the end of the day, it isn't about hardware. It's about how your boat travels, how it shows up, and how it's protected the entire time it's out of the water. We build boats, we build the things that carry them, and we don't treat either as an afterthought. That's what you expect from MasterCraft, and that's what you get.